Are you facing this problem? So if you're facing this problem, I'm going to teach you two ways to fix this. And the first way is very simple. Just use your finger to tap on your power button for some while, and after that this is going to pop up. Then tap on restart. But it depends on the device you're using. Some, when you use your finger to tap on it, you're not going to see the pop-up you saw on my own. You're going to see a different pop-up which is going to say restart or reboot and turn off. Sometimes too it's going to show airplane mode, but it depends on the device you're using. So what you have to do is tap on restart or reboot, because it's the same. Then you get me. So when you see restart, just tap on it. When you see reboot, just tap on it. And after that, you are going to get your device restart or reboot. And when it comes, or when you restart it and it turn on, what you have to do next is to clear the cache and also the storage. Then after that, problem is going to get fixed. One is not getting fixed. This is what you have to do. Just try to set for the app. Just use your finger to tap on the app for some while. You're going to find this. You tap on app info. Then after that, tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. Make sure the permissions are all allowed. Then you go back and tap on storage and cache. Then you make sure you clear the cache. After that, go back, tap on notification, and make sure this show notification is turned on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is also turned on. After doing this, go to Google Play Store and tap on update. You have to check for the latest update. When you tap on the update, it's going to reinstall on the device successfully without any problem. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. Don't tap on the open button that is going to appear over here. Just don't tap on the open button over here. Just tap on your power button for some while. Tap on restart to restart your device, and after doing this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.